is considered an epidemic in the world and is an incredible burden on healthcare costs. Uncontrolled diabetes can lead to blindness, amputations, and heart disease. Not only this, but obesity and type 2 diabetes are considered as major risk factors for the development of certain types of cancers. Specifically, there is a twofold increased risk of developing colon cancer, which is currently ranked as the third leading cause behind cancer-related deaths in both men and women. Now, the reasons behind this have not yet been identified, but it's agreed that the increased levels of insulin and glucose, or sugar, in the bloodstream likely play a role. Insulin is a very important molecule in the human body, and all animals and pets as well. So insulin is important because it signals cellular growth and division, and in insulin-sensitive tissues, such as the heart, skeletal muscle, and adipose tissue, also known as fat, insulin stimulates special transporters to move to the cell surface to bring sugar in to be used as fuel. And this is often exploited in cancer development, and I believe may be the link between diabetes and colon cancer. So, remarkably, very little research has been done to understand glucose metabolism in the colon. So that's where I come in. I used a mouse model and divided them into two groups. For 9 months, one group was fed a healthy control diet, and the other a high-fat diet that mimics our Western eating habits and represents obesity and type 2 diabetes. I then examined the expression levels of those glucose transporters to see how sugar was used in the colon. Amazingly, not only did we find that the colon utilizes sugar as a fuel source, but it also may be insulin sensitive. So typically during the development of diabetes, those insulin sensitive organs that I mentioned, the heart, skeletal muscle, and fat, become resistant, leading to that increase of insulin and sugar in the bloodstream. However, I believe that the colon remains sensitive. With this finding, it would explain why in the face of that excess insulin and sugar, the colon basically becomes a teenager, uncontrolled growth, and unbelievable eating habits. So in my future research, I hope to find the therapeutic targets that not only treat cancer that has developed, but prevent it from occurring in the first place. By regulating the sugar intake, the colon can just remain happily to the side doing its business, and we stop a preventable cancer from killing more people. Thank you.